The secret behind the old tree. Everyone feared the old tree. Nobody approached it. It stood alone. Its branches looked enormous. Its roots spread everywhere. People avoided that place. Emma loved mysteries. She felt curious. She visited every afternoon. Birds stayed silent. Wind softly whispered. Leaves slowly danced. Floated gently nearby. Emma looked around. Nobody appeared. The sound continued. She touched the tree. Its bark felt cold, very cold. Emma stepped backward. A crow suddenly cried. "Ah!" echoed loudly. Emma jumped. The forest became quiet, too quiet. She noticed strange carvings. Tiny symbols covered bark. She traced them carefully. Nothing happened. Then humming returned. Sounded closer. Emma listened carefully. The tree slightly shook. No wind blew. Emma frowned. A small hole appeared. Inside glowed something. Golden light shimmered. Emma reached carefully. The light disappeared. Darkness returned. Emma sighed softly. Ah, escaped slowly. She waited patiently. Sunlight faded away. Evening quietly arrived. The forest darkened. Crickets began singing. Roo filled the air. Emma stayed nearby. Then footsteps echoed. Step, step, step. Emma hid quietly. Nobody appeared. Only footsteps remained. Closer, closer. Then silence returned. Emma peeked carefully. An old lantern glowed. Nobody carried it. It floated slowly. Emma followed carefully. The lantern stopped beside the tree. The humming returned. Emma completely surrounded Emma softly. She couldn't understand. The tree slowly opened. A hidden doorway appeared. Emma gasped. "Ah!" escaped loudly. She entered carefully. Stone stairs descended. Everything looked ancient. Old walls surrounded her. Tiny candles flickered. Nobody lit them. The tunnel curved gently. Emma kept walking. A wooden chest waited. Dust covered everything. She opened it. Inside rested letters. Very old letters. Emma read slowly. The writing faded. One sentence remained. Protect our secret. Emma looked confused. Then laughter echoed sounded behind. Emma turned quickly. Nobody stood there, only empty tunnel. The candles flickered wildly. Cold air arrived. The chest suddenly closed. Bang! Emma stepped backward. The tunnel trembled. Small rocks fell. Emma hurried upstairs. The doorway remained open. She escaped quickly. Fresh air returned. The tree became still. Everything looked peaceful. Emma smiled nervously. Maybe everything ended. Morning finally arrived. Emma returned again. The hidden doorway vanished. Only rough bark remained. No symbols existed. No glowing hole remained. Emma touched the tree. It felt warm, very warm. She heard whispering, "Come back tomorrow." Emma looked upward. Branches slowly moved. No wind existed. Birds suddenly flew away. The humming returned, soft and gentle. Emma slowly smiled. She wasn't afraid. She whispered softly, "I'll return." The tree remained silent. Its secret remained hidden, waiting patiently for the next visitor.